If you're trying to stay calm, you're already doing the wrong thing. Because calm doesn't respond to effort, it responds to clarity. The moment you think, I need to calm down, your mind feels evaluated. And evaluation creates pressure, not peace. The Stoics never chased calm. They knew something modern advice ignores. You can't command a nervous system. When you force calm, you argue with reality. And the mind tightens. Every time it hears resistance, Stoic calm is a side effect of accurate judgment and limited focus. Not a feeling you perform, a state that appears. When you stop interfering, the mind settles, when it knows exactly what deserves attention and what doesn't. If this shifted how you see calm, subscribe and go to the channel. There's a longer breakdown that shows how Stoics build calm that actually lasts.